Example number 3. X equals to 0, 2, 5, 8. Print of x of -1. It gives output 8. Look, we can also use negative indexing. So far we were doing positive indexing, but this time I took negative indexing. Remember, negative indexing always starts from -1, -2, -3, -4 up to infinity. If you want to take indexing from the left side, it will be in positive from like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But make sure from the left side in the positive indexing, it always starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. But when it comes to negative indexing, nothing very complicated. We are just taking indexing in opposite side. From the negative indexing, we mean that we are taking indexing from the right side, from the opposite side. We take it from the right side. Make sure negative indexing from the right side always starts from -1, not from 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. So at -1 there exists 8. 8 locates at -1. This -1 is the specific indexing number or specific tag number of that 8 in computer memory. When it comes to the positive indexing, in the positive indexing we can write x of 3 because positive indexing starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So at 3 index there will be 8. But in negative indexing it locates at -1 at first place from the right side because negative indexing starts from -1, not from 0. So whether you use positive indexing from the left side or negative indexing from the right side, it is absolutely up to you.